Hello, my name is Saltanat Azhigenova. I'm a teacher at secondary school number 27. Today we are going to talk about present and past passive voice for the grade 7. The topic name is present and past passive voice. Let's study. Today we are going to talk about the difference between the active and the passive voice, when we use the passive voice and how we make sentences in the passive voice. First of all, when we use an active verb, we say what the subject does. She cleaned the room yesterday. Here, she is a subject, and the cleaned is a verb, and the object is a room. Now, subject cleaned the room. When we use a passive verb, we say what happens to the object. Here, the object is the room, and the verb is was cleaned. When we use passive voice, when we want to focus on the action and not who or what did it. I was offered a job. We don't focus on action and we don't know who did it. When we don't know who or what did the action, or when it's very obvious. My car was stolen. Now we don't know who did the action. We know that it's obvious. We see my car was stolen. If we want to mention the agent, the doer of the action, just add by preposition at the end of the sentence. For example, this house was built by my grandfather. Well, if we want to say passive voice is used to emphasize the action being done to the subject rather than the subject performing the action. And how is it formed by combining a form of to be and with the past participle of the main verb. Or if we have regular verb, we just add ed. Now you see the example in various tenses. The tenses are present simple and the past simple. How it's forming. The first of all formed by the to be verb with the past participle. In present simple, it to be will be is and are, and the past simple it will be was and were. Past participle build the verb build. Of course, if we have irregular verbs, for example, play, we just add ed. For example, played. Okay. Now let's practice. Here we should write information about the Brighton swimming pool with the words below. Use present passive. Here's the label, and you see the words tickets, sell at the pool. The first of all, we should find object. Object here is tickets, and we put tickets here. Tickets. After tickets, we should put the form of to be. Now here we see, and we should here we see the nouns in plural nouns tickets. So we should put after plural nouns to be are, and we put are. We change the to be into are. After are to be, we should put past participle or regular verbs with ending ed. For example, the verb sell, it's irregular verbs, and in past participle it will be sold, and the tickets are sold. After that, other sentences. We put other sentences like at the pool. Let's check. Great job. Let's play. The roads blank with snow, and the verb given is cover. Covered, are covered, or is covered. Yes, that's right. And blank by homeless dog. The verb is not bite, it's negative form. Weren't bitten, wasn't bitten, or beaten. Great job. This code blank 4 years ago and the verb by. Was bought, bought, are bought. Great job. Chocolate blank from cacao and the verb given is make. Made, are made, is made. Yes, great. Souvenirs blank everywhere. Not to sell, it's a negative form. Isn't sold, sold, or aren't sold. Great. Pyramids blank in Egypt. The verb is built. Was built, were built, built. Pyramids. Yes. Last question. The guest blank at home yesterday. The verb is meet. Met, were met, were met. Great job. We are winners. Thank you and goodbye.